Are first-time home buyers doomed? Has it become too unaffordable? Is it over? Is all hope lost? Stay tuned. In this video, I'm going to share some statistics that will probably surprise you. All right, Matt, the mortgage guy, residential mortgage broker, licensed in 48 states. If you want to connect with me and my team, go to greatmortgagebroker.com. In today's video, I want to talk about a subject that is on the top of everyone's mind. Affordability. Is the first-time home buyer doomed? Can they buy? Will they ever be able to buy? Some surprising statistics for you. So I'll start off with the stat that I heard this morning, which I think will probably surprise you. And it gives you a little bit of optimism when it comes to not just first-time home buyers, but first-time home buyers that might be moderate income, not just the wealthy, right? There's a metric, which is the area median income. And there's an area median income for every single county across the United States. This is used because depending on where you're at, 100% of the area median income, 50% of the area median income, 80% of that AMI, as I like to call it, there's different programs available to you. And so the stats are there, the metrics are there. Would you be surprised if I told you that if we looked at everybody who's below 100% of that area median income, 53% are homeowners? This stat, 53% of people below the area median income being homeowners, is the highest it's been since 1994, almost 30 years, right? So to say that people who make the average or below the average have no shot, they're never going to be able to afford a home, they're never going to be able to buy a home, is a little bit misleading. It's a little bit unrealistic. The thing I want to share today, being that it's June 2023, is that June 10th is actually the date where these numbers get updated. If the sources that I've talked to are correct, the median income is likely to go up by 5 or 6%. And I'll give you some numbers. Sacramento, where I'm located, the area median income is $102,400 before the 2023 change. If this goes up by 5 or 6%, call it 6,000 up to something like 108,000, then I can do some quick math and tell you that 108,000 times 80% is 86,400. Now, again, this is a guess. These numbers haven't been released yet. But if you can make up to 86,000 and qualify for the home ready, home possible programs that exist for those people, you're going to get great mortgage terms, great rate, low mortgage insurance. In some cases, you're going to be able to put 1% down and get a grant from a lender because you fall into this bucket of less than 80% of the area median income. So I don't want you to think, if you're a first-time home buyer that's looking, that all hope is lost, right? Because there's two things working in your favor. One, there's many programs and there continue to be rollouts of programs that are aimed to low to moderate income borrowers that will give you not, everything, but lower rates, lower fees, maybe a 2% grant, right? Don't expect to get it all, right? But a little bit of help, a little bit of assistance to make it a little bit easier for you to buy a home. It's available and it will continue to be rolled out throughout 2023 into 2024, in my belief. And we've been saying that, and that's what we've been seeing, right? So don't lose hope if you're a first-time home buyer. Don't think that, hey, the market's unaffordable. The crazy part is that it remains competitive in so many markets. People continue to buy. And some people ask me, and I think it's a valid question, with rates where they're at, with prices where they're at, Who's buying with a $3,200 a month payment? Who's buying with a $3,500 a month payment? The people that understand that holding real estate long term is a win. Buying today and you might move and sell it next year, probably not. Probably a good idea to rent. Doing other things that are short term or uncertain, probably not. But if this is a home that you're buying to live in and you plan to stay 5 years, 7 years, 10 years plus, the average duration in the same house is up above 10 years now. Most people are staying 10 years plus in a house. Then you win with real estate. You pay the debt down, the property appreciates over time. I know people are going to throw tomatoes at the screen. It's okay. Over time, look at any 20 to 30 year period, prices appreciate always, forever, since real estate existed. You also get tax benefits, right? So real estate is going to continue to be a great investment over the long term. It may be harder, it may be more expensive, but it's possible. That's the message I want to leave you with here. So any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down below in the comments. I appreciate you guys. We just hit 20,000 subscribers. I want to continue to hear from each and every one of you. What do you want to hear? What do you want on the next video? What can I explain to you in layman's terms so you understand it? That's always been the mission. That's always been the goal. Take relatively complex mortgage ideas and boil it down into simple, easy to understand pieces so that people can get a comfort around it, right? You make better decisions when you're educated and you're comfortable around a subject. Thanks for watching. Until next time.